Every time we eat a meal or a snack, our body embarks on a complex journey to break down the food into nutrients that fuel our daily activities. This incredible process is carried out by the digestive system, a series of organs and structures working in harmony to ensure that food is properly digested, nutrients are absorbed, and waste is eliminated. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the components of the digestive system, including the gastrointestinal tract, the main path that food takes through our body, and the accessory digestive organs, which play crucial supporting roles. We'll explore each organ in detail, examining how the digestive system works from the start to finish, and discuss common digestive disorders like ulcers. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how this vital system keeps us nourished and healthy.
Lesson 2. The parts of the digestive system. Let's begin by looking at the individual parts of the digestive system, which are categorized into two main groups, the gastrointestinal tract and the accessory organs. The gastrointestinal tract is a long hollow tube that runs from the mouth to the anus, and it includes the following key parts: mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. In addition to the GI tract, the accessory digestive organs are equally important, helping to digest food through the secretion of enzymes, mechanical breakdown, and other supportive functions. These organs include the teeth, tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, pancreas. The teeth are responsible for mechanical digestion, where it's broken down by chewing different types of teeth, incisors, canine, premolars, and molars, help in cutting, tearing, and grinding food into smaller pieces. The tongue assists by moving the food around in the mouth, forming into a soft mass called a bolus that is easier to swallow. The salivary gland secretes saliva, which contains enzymes like salivary amylase that start the breakdown of carbohydrates in the mouth. This prepares the food for further digestion, and it moves down the GI tract. The liver produces a substance called bile, which is essential for breaking down fats. Bile is stronger in the gallbladder and released into the small intestines when needed. The pancreas produces a variety of digestive enzymes that release into the small intestines. These enzymes help break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, while sodium carbonate neutralizes the acid from the stomach.
How the digestive system works. Now let's explore how the digestive system works, following the journey of food from the moment it enters the mouth until it is eliminated as waste. Digestion begins in the mouth, where food is chewed by the teeth and mixed with saliva from the salivary glands. As the food is chewed, salivary amylase begins breaking down complex carbohydrates into simple sugars. Once the food is ready to swallow it, the tongue pushes the bolus to the back of the mouth and into the pharynx. The passageway that leads to the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that moves the food down to the stomach through a process called peristalsis, which is a series of wave-like muscle contractions. In the stomach, the food is mixed with gaseous juice, which contain hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes like pepsin. These substances help break down proteins into smaller molecules. The stomach churns the food, transforming it into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. From the stomach, the chyme moves into the small intestine, where the real work of digestion and nutrient absorption happens. Here, bile from the liver and gallbladder helps digest fats, while enzymes from the pancreas continue breaking down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Small finger-like projections called line the walls of the small intestine. absorbing the digested nutrients into the bloodstream. These nutrients are then transported to different parts of the body for energy, growth, and repair. The leftover waste, which cannot be digested or absorbed, moves into the large intestine. Here, water and electrolytes are absorbed, and the remaining waste is formed into solid feces. The feces are eventually excreted from the body through the rectum and anus.
The digestive system is complex and sensitivity, meaning that a number of disorders can affect its functioning. Some common digestive illnesses include gastrocephalia, reflux disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and ulcers. We can also remember that the bacteria Helicobacter pylori can make ulcer and his can make stomach cancer. One of the most common digestive issues is a peptic ulcer, which occurs when the lining of the stomach or the upper part of the small intestine is damaged by the stomach acid. This can lead to painful sore, usually caused by an infection with the bacterium Helicobacter pylori or the excessive use for certain medications like aspirin or ibuprofen. Another issue is GERD, where stomach acids frequently flow back into the esophagus, causing heartburn and other uncomfortable symptoms. Conditions like IBC can affect the large intestine, causing symptoms like cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, and diarrhea or constipation.
Conclusion. In this topic, we learned how the digestive system works and how the function. We learned about the names of every part of the digestive system, and we learned how care to the system and the things that can hurt them. Thank you for the attention.